Morning, friends. I am P.L. Subramanian, Chartered Accountant. I am going to talk to you today on goods and service tax practitioners and practitioners exam and all that. Okay, GST practitioners. It is the definition is given in 255 and section 48 and rule 83. You can take my contact details. If you want, you can take it. My YouTube channel is PL Subramanian. I put some videos on GST and income tax and other things. Okay, that my mobile number is 9962758419. First, we will see one Tirukkural. Tirukkural is the Tamil book written 2000 years back. It contains 133 chapters. Each chapter contains only 10 couplets or poems. But each couplet is having only 7 words. What the management crew and all that, they write it for 500 pages, 300 pages. He gives it in 7 words only. So that type of things, persons are not knowing Tamil can read in English or in your mother tongue. That it will be very useful as it. Okay. What it say that persons who don't understand the Tamil, I will give you the English translation also. Kalan talthu செய்ய தவக்கவற்றை காலம் தாழ்த்தே செய்ய வேண்டும். காலம் தாழ்த்தாமல் விரைந்து செய்ய வேண்டிய வேலைகளை செயல்களை செய்ய தாழ்த்த கூடாது. எண் 672 அதிகாரம் வினை செயல் வகை. In simple terms, what you have to do today, you have to do it. But what you have to do it after some time, you should not do it. So this is the thing. Okay. In time management, how they are teaching, we will see after a few minutes. Okay. 4 quadrants of time management: important and urgent, crisis and emergencies, important but not urgent, prevention, planning and improvement, not important but urgent, interruptions, busy work, not important but not urgent, time wasters. Mostly we spend lot of time for that not urgent, that not important, not but urgent, that we are doing it. Not important, not urgent, that also we spend lot of time. But we should spend for first 2 items. That is a time management experts are telling. Things which may be done at leisure could be implemented slowly and deliberately. But things requiring prompt action should not be put off even for a moment. This is like a translation of Tirukkural itself. But there it is 7 words. In English, it comes to nearly 25, 26 words or something like that. There are some things which could be done in due course and slowly and deliberately. This may be deliberated over a period, done at some leisure. But many other actions call for immediate attention, time dimension being important. The same thing done later may not serve any purpose at all. All such jobs should be executed at once. We have to divide the jobs to 2 categories. Just I am an author of many books, nearly 25 books in indirect tax and direct tax. In indirect tax, my book on Bombay sales tax, my book on Bombay VAT, works contract, and my book on this is GST Ready Reckoner, published by Snow. All my books are published by Snow White. This book is not a Ready Reckoner. Name is given because in Maharashtra, many people like my book with his name. So the publisher has put ready. It is actually chapter-wise explanation for each item, and act and rule and all that is given in this book. Another book, Service Tax Ready Reckoner. So just I am happy to tell you that it has come 28th edition in the before GST was introduced. In the year of 2017, it has come 28th edition. Now I have published one more book, Maharashtra GST, in that is also Snow White. I have published one book, Tamil Nadu GST by Sitaraman Company. Okay, GST practitioners. GST law permits certain persons other than chartered accountant, cost accountant to practice and GST. Section 255 defines practitioner as goods and service tax practitioner. Means any person who has been approved under Section 48 to act as such practitioner. That for to approval, persons have to write the exam. That is called GST practitioner exam. It is conducted by Government of India. That is national. Their national institute is conducting. It is important to note that it is recognized given by in the law itself. Moreover, practitioners should be happy that now 9C audit on GST need not be done by chartered accountant, cost accountant. It has to be self-certified. This Finance Act introduced, but it is not notified. So what is the meaning of that? Now practitioners themselves can do the work. They need not take the signature from cost accountant or chartered accountant. So their work will go up. In due course, many other activities also will come to. What are the activities they can do? We will see within few minutes. Okay, it gives, what is the benefit? It gives recognition. So if you write that practitioner given by Government of India, people will come to you to take your services. It gives confidence to prospective clients. So clients will think that he has already completed GSTP and he is recognized by Government of India, so that they will have confidence. GSTP name shall appear in GSTN portal, and it will facilitate business people in selection of their GST. In small places and all that, if their name appears in the GSTN portal, they may go through that and they may contact the consultant. GSTP can furnish the returns by using his password, and he need not file returns by using client's password. Say some people, some of the consultants, they have so many, and they as if the business person is that they will use their that all that is required. If he is a practitioner, he can use the his own password and all that. Then exam only a persons who have passed the examination conducted by NASIN will be able to practice as practitioner. Who can register for rating that commercial tax officers and all the retired and all that, they can go for if they got some 7 years experience and all that. Then that he has done. Then he has passed a graduate commerce, law, banking, including higher auditing, BS, business administration, business management. If anybody has come, has done this graduation, BCom, MBA, LLP, all that they can do it. BSc and all that, BA, that they cannot join this. Degree examination of foreign university, we are not concerned. Any other examination notified, I think till now they have not notified any other. He passed any of the following examination: final examination of chartered accountant, cost accountant, company secretary. See, chartered accountant and cost accountant, most probably they will, if they have completed that, they will not be practitioner. They will be practicing a chartered accountant, cost accountant. But they can also write the okay services that can be offered by GST. Just to read that, what are the services can be? Almost all the services they can do that. Just to read it, it will take 1 minute or something like that. Okay. so okay, one announcement that I am conducting this program, GSTP for examiner, and not only for writing the GSTP exam. Yeah, actually, I will explain that. I have conducted nearly 450 training programs on various subjects in the last so many years. Now, for MSMA Accra, they conducted the program in Chennai and Coimbatore and Trichy, 4 days, 2 Sundays, 2 Saturdays. I conducted 12 programs for GSTP, the persons who are practicing and want to learn that. It is not for practicing exam and all that. But then the participants requested me to conduct a program for writing the exam also. I was not able to do that. But when I put some video and all that, some of the participants requested me to conduct online. That is why I conducted. One program I already conducted. Second program just now started. Just I will tell you that started. That now it is already started. But what were topics already completed, it will be taken separately for the persons who can join. You can join this Sunday also, without wasting time. That is one. Another one, I tell you that how that if the exam is not going to be conducted within 2-3 months, when the examination is going to be conducted, I will take some sessions about the latest development which are relevant for the exam. That separately I will inform all the participants who are going to write the exam. I will take the recent developments which are very important for the exam. Now you can read this, then you can take the note also that. Otherwise, you can go to the description. The brochure also will be available. You can read it. This Sunday itself you can attend if you are interested. And I have the practice the persons who are attending, who have completed the GSTP examination, because they want to have thorough knowledge. Company executives also attending because they want to have a thorough knowledge of that. Even CA and company secretary, lawyer, whoever want, they are not, if they are not well versed at present, they want to have good knowledge of that, they can also join. Even CA, CS students who want to learn proper GST, they can also join. It is not for exam only. How the program will be conducted? I am not going to teach MCQ continuously. For example, if the one day I am taking 3 hours, I am not going to teach my MCQ for 3 hours. I will teach by using always PowerPoint, each point and all that. It is not one-way traffic. The participants can ask any questions by using the chat or mic. That is one. Then using the chat, I will ask the questions to the participant, explain regarding what is appearing in slide and all that. They have to answer. So out of 3 hours, most probably half an hour will be interactive. I am not going to speak that half an hour continuously. 2.5 hours that. Then if I completed one, say, time of supply for 2 hours, next session, immediately I will send the MCQ by Google Forms quiz, and they have to answer. Then next, in the beginning or in between, 15 minutes I will spend to explain that 15 questions, 10 or 15, so that it will be revision of time of supply. Like that, I will be following it. Okay. That fees and all that return, just you can note it. And if you want, you take the bank detail. Otherwise, it is available in the description brochure. You can, if you want, you can that. If you want to ask any questions on this program, you can call me, or you can write, or you can use WhatsApp. Whatever that, the WhatsApp number also same. Whatever I have given that, you can use. You can call me also. If I am not taking any session, I am not with anybody discussing very importantly, I will take it immediately. Otherwise, you if I am not able to take it, you send. I called you, I could not get you. I will call you also, no problems. But I am conducting from Chennai only. But this bank, I am having some account in Bombay. That account I have given because now bank accounts are all India. That's no. Okay. Now, if you want, you can call me. I will send the information also. That okay. Examination Conducting Authority, NACIN. That is National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes, Narcotics shall conduct the examination. Frequency of examination. Examination twice, but now the last 1 year, 3 months, and all that, they have not conducted any exam because of COVID. Moreover, till now, they have not conducted for the only qualified BCom and all that for them. The sales tax practitioners who have shifted to this, they also have to complete the exam. They have conducted. And I will tell you that this exam is not at all difficult. But people are not interested in learning. Without reading and all that, you cannot get through. But it is a simple exam. Registration for that, you have to register it with NACIN for the exam as such. Nature of examination, it is MCQ only. Qualifying marks, 200 marks will be there. You have to 100 questions, 200 marks. You have to get 100 marks or 50%. Paper pattern, time allowed 150 minutes. Number of multiple choice questions 100. Language of questions English and Hindi. Maximum mark 20. Qualifying marks 100. No negative marking. So what is that? If you are writing the exam, you for the 5 question or 10 question, you don't know the answer. Then also you can choose something what is the best. You can answer it because you are not going to lose it. Out of 10 questions, if you are going to get 2, 3, you may get 2, 3, 6 mark or something like that. The syllabus is complete. All the acts, rule, notification, order, everything. Okay, you can take, if you want the mobile number, you can take it, or you can take my email ID. Thank you. If you require any other information about any clarification on the GST and all that, also you can talk to me and find out what is that. If you whatever the doubt, we can clear it. But about this program, you can contact me, and whatever doubts you are having, you can ask me. So it will be using PowerPoint and English, and the persons who are from Tamil Nadu, after that, if they want to talk to me in Tamil also, but Hindi and all that, I'm not that fluent, but you can ask any questions, not in the classroom, but over the phone, if you in other Hindi or Tamil also. Hindi, I am not that much well versed. Okay. Thank you very much.